One of the first things I wanted to fix about my AI was how they interact with each other. If you can see now, they interact pretty fine. Obviously, it's a simple 1v1, but let's say I wanted to add more more enemies here. As you can see, they would be confused at who they're attacking. I wanted the minions to be on the same side, but it looks like one of them have actually locked onto the other minion here, and they're colliding with each other pretty poorly due to just their their pathways not meant to be colliding with each other. But you could also see that the bread people who I want to be on the same team are also failing to, failing to do their job and attack each other. Now, that's what I'm gonna go through in this video. Now, how have I done this exactly? I've done this by using a blueprint interface. Now, this blueprint interface just gets the team number. These team numbers are interchangeable, but we're going to keep it consistent so that the AI knows who is on their team. So team 1, team 2, team 3, that's why this is an integer. We've also used the enemy sense. So if on sense get their team number, which is from the blueprint interface, we're getting another team number, which is from the controlled pawn. We're seeing if they are equal. If they are equal, then the enemy will not attack them. They will ignore them. So this worked pretty well. The enemies were actually able to be on the same team. I could run a melee, Valsa, ranged enemies, but one of the core issues I was running into was that the two melee enemies or the two ranged enemies were actually colliding with each other. Obviously, because what I had created was just a simple team system, so they could group up and they wouldn't attack each other, but they had no way to detect why, like, do not hit your teammate. Pretty much, they didn't have friendly fire and stuff like that. Wasn't exactly a thing, so I had to create a fix for that. Now, a fix that I could come up with was that I could get the enemies. I get the enemy's collision detection for when they hit a target. I could run what are we hitting exactly? And then I could check if that actor that we've just hit is a team member. If it is a team member, then I don't want to deal damage. If it isn't, then damage can proceed as normal. This allowed me to actually finish the team member system so that enemies can now actually know who's on their team, not attack people on their team, as well as not damage or do status against people on their team. The end result is as follows.